Topics in the video. Numerical input in text box. Using currency symbol in text box. Using country culture information. Creating and using methods. Creating object event with code. Create a C# project. Add a class file by following the steps. Edit the using lines. We will create, focus, keepers, and leave event methods for text box objects. Follow the steps and add them as is. Created 3 event methods for text boxes. Now, let's write a method that defines 3 event methods at the same time for one text box. Let's add it to the form load section for testing. When we run a method for each text box, the focus, keepers and leave methods will be triggered when necessary. The general work will be like this. Now, let's duplicate and edit the 2 methods for the money symbol. Let's change the text box to events in the form according to the new methods. Finally, we should not forget the methods that will assign data to the text box and read the data in the text box according to the country's culture. This method converts the data in the text box to decimal type. Second method, converts decimal data into string that you can assign to text box according to country culture information. Last method converts decimal data into a string with currency symbols that you can assign to the text box according to the country's culture information. Add the lines you see to the button click event method on the form. Extra. Add a list box to the form. Add the Using System Globalization line to the form. Add the For Each loop block to the Form Load section. You can find your country, language, culture code from the list.